In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear upper control arm on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel. Underneath the rear differential, I'm just going to use a pull jack and just take some of the tension off the suspension. Just raise it up a little bit. Using a 24mm wrench on the bolt. And a 24mm socket on the nut. I'm going to take this bolt and nut out. You can just unscrew the bolt. Slide this bolt out. Now using a 24mm wrench on the bolt, 24mm socket on the nut, loosen this up. Take the nut off, grab the arm, and just slide it out. I'll slide this in position, get the bolt started right here, and put the nut on. And before we tighten that, we're going to put the other bolt in, slide the bolt through, and the nut. And you want to raise up on the suspension as much as possible. That's safe. It would be ideal to tighten these down with the wheel on the ground, but it's not that easy. Just raise that up as close to ride height as possible. And we'll snug these down. Now we're going to torque these bolts to 130 foot-pounds. Now we can lower the screw jack. And slide it out of the way. Now install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 130 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.